Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for tuning in. Just together here a few clips of a little project I did. This was a 2023 Kawasaki Vulcan S, or formerly known as EN650. I got it over at an auction and it needed a few works. As you can see, the front end was completely detached. Um, the story behind this that I roughly got from it was that the previous owner, bought it from a dealership, and as they were literally like riding home or riding around, they got into a crash and immediately got written off. So I just was like, hey, I usually work on cars, so I was like, hey, why not just try this out? Try bikes. Bikes should be easier than cars, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. But bike parts, man, are so expensive. I don't know. I'm just used to junkyards for cars. It's really hard to find bike parts, especially here in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada. So it was an online hustle. But nevertheless, thank you much for watching. I hope this is something that would interest you as you grab your food, grab your snacks, whatever you're doing. If I'm just white noise in the back for you as you do something, I appreciate you clicking on this. And you know what? Let's get into it. Thank you very much. Peace.
Okay, got the paper, we got the keys. Nice. Now we go in and get the bike. The car's ready. How many hours did it take us to get here?
Let's see.
7?
Pretty much.
7-hour drive. She handled well. Okay. You spelled bio with an A. Okay, right here. Oh, someone's got in another bike. I cannot reverse for guys, so we're gonna have to make this work. Hello. Okay, moment of truth is here. Oh, oh. I can grab that guy. Okay. Oh yeah. Sir, less damage, less damage. What's that?
That's a pretty nice looking bike too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Would have been a lot better with a truck like this, all stuff like that.
I wish. I wish I had one like yours.
Hey, if it's only a glove box, throw it on. I got room.
North Saskatoon.
I'm not that cheap. I am going to Saskatoon, but not till next week.
Oh, okay. You might find us there. Have a good one. Okay, how do we do this? What happened to this bike?
Somebody
But like there's no, side scrapes apart from the here and on the exhaust.
I think it might have got dismantled at the at a shop or something.
To try and repair it?
Yeah, to see if it was worth repairing or.
Oh, okay.
Hold on.
Yep. 62 kilometers on it. 62.
Still got hurt. He's like, yeah.
A few moments later.
So, we are all strapped up. This one's tight. She ain't going nowhere. And looks like we need a new radiator. Exhaust pipe can stay like that as a memory. Oh, we almost forgot this guy. This one will go behind the car. And yeah, let's now drive. How many kilometers? 630 or 50 or so kilometers to take back. I don't have a lock, so that will do. Front tire, plus this guy in the back. Oh. And I don't have a lock, but you know what works? Zip ties. That way we will know when we're getting food if anyone broken. Okay, good. Let's bounce. And we go. A quick Costco run. We gonna get them food. Okay, we are seeing how good my straps were. Moment of truth. Oh.
Damn, that's huge. You think it's gonna fit in the helmet?
You don't think so? You'll be surprised. I had time to think about it.
Are you really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I know what it looks like here. I should say it was stuck in gear and I had no way of getting it into neutral. So this was a borrowed space because I was moving, so I just had to get this bike out. So for those people who hated me, I tried my best.
A few moments later.
The next section here shows where I actually started working on the bike. At this point, I was just really assessing to see what I needed to order, and I did make those orders, and yeah, we keep going.
Okay, so update, I guess. Oops, shit. Put the new radiator on. This is the cover, but radiator's it's somewhere. You can see it inside there. Radiator and fan. The old radiator. Damn. Old radiator's here. This is. It was like that, but that's the damage that happened to it. Replaced it. That's my junk pile stuff. I'm gonna give it a start here. Let's see, how do I do this? Hopefully y'all can see. Hopefully you can see. Okay, like that. Why isn't it going up? Oh, Haha, forgot to hit the button. Okay, so you can hear that sound. There's definitely a leak here, right there, that I need to fix. So I'm gonna be taking out the exhaust pipes because the sound is not going through anything. So yeah, that's what we need to figure out. But otherwise, it's running. Yeah, so that's the progress we need to do. Yeah. Okay, update. So I've gotten the exhausts in as much as I can. It does move up, so once I bolt these in, should be good. It is also partially bolted there, so we have saved about $1,500 just for a new exhaust. The forks are in Winnipeg right now, so I'm expecting them Monday, hopefully. If they deliver on weekends, that would be great. But what I'm working on now is rust. So I guess the damage caused a scratch here, and now just I've polished this part, so sanded it rather, and now I'm just gonna go around and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we got it sanded down to bare metal. Gonna be priming now, so I'll show you the other side. That's that spot, then there's that spot there, and just down here. So I'm gonna tape these little areas off, and then yeah, and then prime it. I don't have the paint right now, but I will prime it, then sand it again. Okay, so here's my makeshift bush mechanic kind of thing. So as you can see here, I'll need to sand it flush, and yeah, this is sandable primer, but so far we is looking good. Yeah, just a touch up. I don't want rust, so preventing the rust as much as I can. And yeah, okay, so I forgot to record, but the tank has been painted. Still has the bumps, but doesn't bother me. You can see here, paint match, good. We're good. I put back the exhaust, does fit now. I'll show you here. I bent this dude back into place and got new gaskets. Put back the radiator here, and oh, that's hot. Pipes are in. So now, just checking stuff. Little rod is in as I showed you last time. What else? Oh yeah, the little piece that goes here. It is right here. It's broken, so I'm gonna try and mend it here, and we'll see how that will turn out. But currently, we're gonna give you a sound of the exhaust. So do that, turn it on this time. So that's it, and working good. I still need this little light here, so waiting on that. It should arrive this week. So everything's arriving this week, but yeah, looks good. I have a check engine light, trying to figure out what that is, but odometer you can see there. Oh, that's not the odometer. How do I turn it? Odometer was still at 62 kilometers, so basically a brand new bike. You come here, it works out, and hazards are working. As I said here, we got one light, but indicator is working to the right, it's blinking because the other side's not, you know. Horn works, high beams work, and yeah. Okay, so the forks have arrived. Gonna be unboxing here and just checking them out. Okay, so I know it's been a while since I showed you guys, but obviously I don't know, tanks painted. I believe I showed you that. We got some new taillights. They look dorky, but to pass inspections, that's what we need. On this side here, oh, forks are in. I guess that's a big one. New cables in. I just completed bleeding the brakes. I know I should have worn gloves for those who tell me that, but it is what it is. I'm gonna start her up for you, and we'll show you in a bit here. Still have a check engine light, so I'm waiting on a tool that should be here tomorrow. But turn it on. Oh. There we go. So it's on. There we go. Forks are in. And if I do hazards, that's working. If I come to the back, that's working. And left turn signal, I guess you can do that. That's working. Right turn signal, that's working. And it's working there. We are good, I believe. Yeah. So that's that. I haven't actually checked if the brake lights in the back work. Oh, yes, they do. Okay, and we are still at 62 kilometers, in case anyone's wondering. Have some smoke coming, that's from coolant. It should, brake fluid, I guess, when bleeding it. But, yeah. What I'm waiting on next is fender that goes here, as well as a front tire. This one's got a hole somewhere. I literally saw it. Now it's gone. Let's see here. This is no way supposed to be with those fancy rails. I did change my motorcycle tire with just these 3 tools here and a few car mats. There's the old tire. I'll show you the puncture right here. As you can see, that's where the puncture is. This is literally a brand new tire. And here's the new tire. Quick tips: rotation, make sure you follow that. This little dot should match with that, and yeah. Okay, so an update. Don't remember if I showed you guys, but the forks are in here. I got a brand new tire and I installed that myself. It was quite some work, but got it in. The brakes are bled, so working, and yeah, little trim pieces and whatever. I have started doing this stuff, but it ran out of me, so I'm ordering more to complete it all the way down. I'm about to get it off jack stands and just make it, I guess, put on its own now. What are the updates? Oh yeah, we got tail lights at the back. Well, it's a license plate which I just found for a motorcycle. It's random, but it's not mine. And yeah, so let's see how this goes. Put you guys here. I don't know if it's gonna show anything, but sure. Okay. It's chilling on its own weight now. Before the video runs out, you guys can see it. Okay, guys, this is the final one. We are complete, fully done. I just cleared the codes. There'll be a video on that. I'll probably post it everywhere on YouTube, I guess, to help other people with the Vulcan. But let's give it a start here. My phone's literally about to die. Check engine light is gone. We are now at 73.6 kilometers. Yes, I did ride it. But yeah, ride's good. Everything. Now I just need to peel off this sticker. But no, it's great. I'll probably add a video of me riding it once I get it safetied and everything. But it is fully complete, and yeah. Okay, so I just gave it a wash with a bucket and some soap here. It's about to go for inspection, so I'm just gonna make sure everything's working. Fingers crossed. I'm just washing it, so the steam is coming from the exhaust. Okay, so now we prepare for tomorrow. You guys will find out if we pass or not. So that's I'm honestly scared. I don't know. If we do pass, I will make sure to insure it tomorrow and take it for a ride and go buy myself a nice steak dinner. Yeah, that will be tomorrow's goal if this passes inspection.
Okay, so the bike did pass its inspection first try. This has honestly been an eye-opening project for me. You know, with cars, you can buy parts from like junkyards, Rock Auto, all these different places, and there'll be different prices, and usually car prices are cheaper. I went into this project thinking bikes were also kind of similar, like cheaper parts. They are smaller, but it was expensive in my personal opinion. I'll just give you a breakdown here of how much it actually costs me to get this bike to where it is now. It's winter right now in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan, Canada, so I can't ride this. The next time I'm riding this bike is in April, I would bet. But I bought the bike for just over 2,000, so it was $2,070. All these prices are in Canadian, by the way. My U-Haul trailer cost me 17 bucks. The gas to and from Calgary to Saskatoon cost me 240 bucks. And food was 20 bucks. Parts cost me 1,999. It brings the total to that I spent on this bike to um 4,300. So all in for this bike, I spent $4,300 Canadian dollars. So if it's American, forgive me, but maybe it's like 3,500 American. And yeah, no, I would definitely recommend this bike. It's a 650 cc, so it's powerful enough, and I would like to upgrade the seat going forward because it is it is for the long rides, it's there. It's there right now. And yeah, thank you so much for watching if you made it this far, and I truly appreciate you. Thank you.